Ashok Mehta is rightly called the master of visual art. Running away from his house in Delhi, he discovered his true passion for films when he reached Mumbai and joined Asha Studios as a mere canteen boy. Ashok Mehta then joined the prestigious RK Studios as an office boy. He worked his way up by slowly filling up for absentee camera attendance. Shashi Kapoor discovered his creative genius and recommended him to Aparna Sen, and he got his big break in her film 36 Chaurangi Lane, which won him a prestigious national award. This film also got him recognized as one of the most accomplished, respected, and admired cinematographers of our country. He started his career with hard-hitting cinema, with films like Shyam Benegal's Mandi, Trikal, and Making of Mahatma.
Well, you see, Ashok Mehta has always been one of the most adventurous cameramen we've had in our country. He's taken all kinds of risks. He's quite an extraordinary cameraman in that sense. He never played safe, and that's probably what I recognized in him more than anything else, because he was quite remarkable and he would try out anything, whatever you wanted him to try out. He wouldn't keep a safety margin as such, that he would really genuinely take risks. He would take the kind of chances very few cameramen would take, but with confidence. It wasn't as though he was being foolhardy. You felt confident about him, that he would be able to do it. Now that's a very important thing, because the director must also feel confident that his cameraman is going to get him the result he wants. Ashok has this wonderful ability, and he was, with me certainly, he was among the most economical cameramen, both in terms of the cost as well as in terms of time.
Ashok Mehta's approach, very, very flamboyant, free in a sense, of all the kind of discipline and constraints that cinematography or the education of cinematography entails. And that celebration actually drew me to him. He's worked in the mainstream space, he's worked in the alternate space, he's worked in the experimental space, he's worked with people like M.F. Hussain. So it's like, it's a very wide body of work, and that is what is actually the most amazing part of this man's work. So yeah, and I met him on the sets of Utsav. Again, I was blown away by the fact, the way he had, these were all interior sets that they were now recreating, and the way he had lit it. And I still remember that he had actually constructed a very intricate rig, a camera rig, because there is a character in Utsav who is a thief, and he has to enter the house by some simple means. We didn't have decent gear, so to invent the smallest thing, like an orientable C-stand, were things that he would be invested in. Or to develop a trolley in which the wheels would not get physically damaged and therefore had protection on both sides, was stuff that he was developing, experimenting with the materials with which the wheels could be made. So all this is, a very, very important legacy actually for everybody who is involved in cinematography today.
With Shekhar Kapoor's Bandit Queen, the world saw the fearless and bold expressions in image making, a quality that even Mr. Kapoor honestly credits him for. An instinctive cinematographer with a style completely of his own, he was known for enhancing the subtextual elements of a film. From being a cinematographer, Ashok Mehta took the next leap of becoming a director with the film Moksha, for which he received the National Award yet again for Best Cinematography in 2002. However, he successfully handled both parallel as well as mainstream cinema. Subhash Ghai's Ram Lakhan made him an all-rounder, showcasing his dynamic frames.
When I directed Ram Lakhan, my first movie with Ashok Mehta, and I saw the rush prints on the first day, I was stunned that I can make this kind of movie with such a brilliant photography. There I realized the importance of good photography, and all credit goes to Ashok Mehta. After that, I was really conscious in my composition. I was very conscious, and he taught me a lot, that how to compose and look for the lighting of the mood. And I would say Ashok Mehta is not only a cinematographer, but he's an idol for many other cinematographers. He's an institute in himself.
Shekhar Kapoor wrote rightly. He should teach. He has so much to give that it would be a crime to not learn from him. He is a visual genius. He indeed is, and will always be remembered for being one. We salute you, sir.
Ashok, starting from where to where to where to here, has been a great, 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 great story in it. And what an achievement. And I would say, Ashok, this is one of the additional honor by the students of Whistling Woods, by the faculty of Whistling Woods, to honor you for your excellent, excellent work, body in this industry. And it is with us and will remain with us.
Cinema, 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 cinema. सबकी कहानी, सबका है सपना.
अशोक मेहता, चाचू, Ashosky, Lale. These are the names he was called with, from friends, from the industry, or from all over the world. What a man. He, I think, has touched upon everybody so personally and intimately, in terms of their personal life, their professional life. He was a great friend, philosopher, guide, mentor for people like us. Every problem of life, we wanted to take his guidance.
ऐसे 18 ईयर्स में उनका सर वर्क कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को खुद को पता नहीं चला मैं 18 साल कैसा वर्क किया उनका साथ. जस्ट लाइक फैमिली मेम्बर्स. किस ना कहीं सेट पे तो उन्होंने आया, बोले कहाँ कैरेक्टर. मैं बोले ये मार्क है. इधर उधर देखा, सही में कहीं रखने का जगह नहीं था. तो उन्होंने बोले यहाँ वॉल है, काटो वॉल को. तो मैं एकदम चमक गया. बाजू में आर्ट डायरेक्शन डिपार्ट पूरा ऐसा देख रहा है मेरे को. बोले काटो बोला ना, चाकू लाओ. खुद ही काटा. बोले बेबी वहाँ रख, वहाँ पास कर दे, शैडो भी नहीं आएगा, कैरेक्टर को लाइट मिल जाएगा.
मैंने अशोक जी के साथ में ऐसी ऐसी जगह पे क्रेन लगवाई उन्होंने कि आदमी सोच नहीं सकता कि यहाँ पे लगेगी या नहीं लगेगी. मुझे यहाँ क्रेन चाहिए तो लगाना ही है लगाना. मैं बोलता सर यहाँ पे बहुत रिक्स है. तो डरता है क्या? मैं हूँ ना, क्यों डरता था? बोले सर ये रिक्स है, यहाँ कुछ हो जाएगा. नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा तो लगाएगा. मतलब ऐसा डरा के उनके मन से जो डर रहता था वो निकालते थे. बोलते थे कभी ज़िंदगी में ये मत सोचना कि ये काम मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. कोशिश करना, कामयाबी मिलेगी आपको. उनको एक ही चीज़ की भूख रहती कि मुझे काम करना है. काम के सिवा कुछ उन्हें नज़र नहीं आता था. हम लोग बोलते थे सर थोड़ा लंच कर लीजिए, अभी थोड़ा आराम कर लीजिए. बोले नहीं, पहले काम फिर दूसरा. हर कोई बोलता था कि मैंने ज़िंदगी में कभी देखा नहीं. वो है अशोक जी.
काफ़ी टाइम मैंने अशोक जी के साथ गुजारा है. अपने ज़माने में अशोक जी ने इतने स्ट्रगल की है कि जब तक वो अपने काम में सेटिस्फाई नहीं होते थे वो शॉट नहीं लेते थे. मेरे हिसाब से इंडस्ट्री में कैमरा ट्रॉली का लेबल करना अशोक मेहता जी ने इंडस्ट्री में सिखाया है.
अशोक जी ने मुझे सिखाया कि आपको लाइफ को बैलेंस करना चाहिए. अशोक जी के काम करने के तरीके को जो एडवर्टाइजिंग में था और जो फीचर फिल्म में था उसमें काफ़ी फ़र्क था. शायद एड फिल्म में लाइट्स होती हैं और फीचर फिल्म में सूरज होता है. ये मुझे अशोक जी ने सिखाया. आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू से दैट इट वॉज अ ग्रेट टाइम वर्किंग विथ अशोक मेहता.
Thank you for listening, and I don't have to speak a lot. I must say that the young guys have to work very hard. It's just a beginning.